facing the dark clouds, but now I'm still breathing. Though I'm a sinner, but I believe in you. I'm not supposed to be. You've been protecting me. The boy is still alive, breathing, becoming strong. Some of my mates are not here, sorting in tando yakho. I thank you for the chance. Nalabeng sele now. Forgive me all my sins, yeah. Show me the way to you. Can you answer my prayer? Can you protect my family? I'm just scared of betrayal. Sabuphila ngathembi. Qala onyaka ngiphila. Kusho kukhulu kimi. Uphuma kwelanga.